Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I use the Tangle Teezer. I noticed on a couple of natural hair blogs and chats that many people said that they were getting a lot of split ends by using this Tangle Teezer, and so I think a lot of the problem is the technique that people are using. So today I'm going to show you how I use the Tangle Teezer and how it's been working for me. So I purchased my Tangle Teezer a few months back. You can see it has very flexible bristles. Unlike the Denman brush with the bristles are really stiff. So as you can see, my hair has been split into 4 sections. When I'm in the shower, I've actually been putting the deep conditioner in my hair, and then once I start detangling, I add more if needed. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is to use it vertically and hold it right side up. So what I do is I take the subsection and I start at the ends and I add tension to the ends with one hand. I make sure the hand holding my ends is actually acting as a base so that when I run the Tangle Teezer over, it makes sure that it gets through all of my hair. And I take my time and make sure I get all the tangles out before I start moving up. So as long as I don't feel any tangles and the Tangle Teezer is passing through my hair easily, I move up the shaft. And even though it seems like this is taking a long time, it actually goes really fast. I can detangle my whole head in less than 15 minutes. And even my roots, which are getting extremely thick, this works very well. You do want to make sure your hair is wet and has product on it. I actually like to do this in the shower. However, if you're not a person that washes your hair in the shower, just make sure you keep a water bottle nearby and wet your hair down as you're doing this. So keep in mind, I only do this twice a month. I notice that my hair has been getting harder to detangle the longer it is and the thicker it gets, and so this actually helps. But I am an avid finger detangler, and so I think minimizing my use of it actually helps to cut down on split ends. And as you can see, when I'm done, I run my fingers through it and my fingers just glide through my hair. So I go ahead and twist up each section as I finish it, and when I'm all done, I have 4 twists all over my head. And when I go to rinse out the deep conditioner, I rinse it out twist by twist and then retwist it, and that keeps my hair detangled for when I style it. So this is actually all the hair that I've lost, and this is actually after a week of not detangling my hair. So that's all, guys. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you've tried the Tangle Teezer. Let me know what you use it for. Do you use it for deep conditioning or styling? And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.